like filled up my cart and it's been like 10 minutes. So if you don't know the drill by now, my name is Ashley and I go to thrift stores and find stuff that I can flip on eBay. I've been doing this for like 7 or 8 years now. I love doing it and I love taking you along for the journey. Today we're hitting up like one of my favorite thrift stores. I tend to find a lot of grails here, so stick around because today absolutely did not disappoint. All right, today we're at one of my favorite thrift stores and we're gonna see how much cool stuff I can find to flip on eBay. Fingers crossed, because usually this thrift store pays off. Let's go. Ooh, and right away. 9. And then just 7. Here we go. One of my favorite brands, and it's new with tags. Is it dirty? I think I can get that out though. Yeah, this is a great find. This is cute too. It's a Free People high-low blouse. It's only $5. Yeah, I think this will do great. We've got this. Prana's a great brand for $4. I sold lots of shirts like these for $25, so let's grab it. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. 10. That's really fair. It's not bad at all. It's so cute. I wonder what size it is. Okay, I want to talk real quick about Lululemon because sadly I must report that it's just not selling quite for what it used to. It still sells great, but it's not quite fetching the prices that it used to. And I do think that's partly or mostly because Lululemon itself has started selling pre-owned items. Like people who bought from there can give them back to Lululemon, they'll give them some cash, and then Lulu will sell it on the resale arm of their site. So I do think that's kind of made it more competitive on eBay. Still, things flip really well. You can occasionally find something rare, which I did today, which is great. But their basics, even their leggings that are really basic, I have to be careful more about like what I pick up. So that's just like an FYI about something I'm experiencing, and I'm sure you're experiencing too. So as I thrift, I get really excited when I find Lulu, but I'm going to temper that excitement because brands go in and out and up and down with their prices. Okay, I've got this really cute Free People dress for $7. You know, I was going to grab these Gymshark leggings, but these are $7 and they just don't sell for what they used to. So, but Free People I will take for $7 because this is a really cute dress, and I think it'll definitely flip for a good profit. You know, my cousin gave me these to sell and they sold really fast. It's a very like higher end exercise wear. For $3, I think I can easily flip this. Okay, so these looked interesting because they're made in Italy, and I looked them up real quick. For $9 it's kind of a lot, but Adolfo Carli seems to sell well. Okay, I'm gonna put these in as a maybe. Ever found an UGG robe in the wild? Now this is nice. Yeah, let me look up comps, but I really think this is a winner. You guys, I had no idea that my kids had subscribed to an app that was like 20 bucks a month for some game that doesn't make sense to me. It was some premium version of something, and I had just been paying it. It had been going out of my bank account without me even knowing about it. And I really hate it when stuff like that happens because I work really hard for my money, and so do you. I mean, that's why we're building our businesses, which is why I'm so excited to introduce today's sponsor, Rocket Money. Rocket Money is the personal finance app that lets you cancel subscriptions, lower your bills, and just manage your money better. It allows you to safely and securely cancel subscriptions right from the app. I mean, they'll do all the work for you. You just do a couple of taps and it is canceled as far as you're concerned, which is just so handy. Rocket Money has helped save its customers on average $740 a year, with over $500 million worth of canceled subscriptions. I mean, that's a lot of money that you could be saving. You can set up budgets for yourself and your family so that you know when you're kind of going over budget in a certain area or not. You can set up smart savings so that you automatically are saving a certain amount of money a month if you want to save up for a certain item. It's so handy and so helpful to keep you organized with your money. Just go to rocketmoney.com/hustleathome to get started with your free trial today. Again, that's rocketmoney.com/hustleathome to get started for free. Thanks again to Rocket Money for sponsoring this portion of the video, and now let's get back to thrifting. This felt heavy like Lululemon, and when I looked on the interior tag, it's actually Aviva, which is Lululemon's girls brand. They stopped making it. I have a really hard time moving it, but I looked up the hoodies and the full zip hoodies do seem to still sell, so I grabbed it anyway. I'm always gonna stop and look at something that seems well made, and this Penfield jacket just felt extremely high quality. The zippers were really good, the fabric was really nice and heavy, the stitching was excellent, so I paused here. So this year I made it a goal to list everything as soon as I get it. So everything's gone. I don't have it with me. But hey, we're staying on top of it in 2024. But that Penfield jacket, I want to talk about it because I picked it up and I was like, this feels extremely nice. The zipper was really heavy, really high quality, really good stitching. It just looked beautiful. And I was like, this has to be worth something. I wasn't finding a lot of comps on eBay, but when I looked up the jacket on their website, they make men's clothing. This is a $325 jacket, so I'm glad I looked it up. And even though I don't see tons of comps, they're a little all over the place on eBay, I'm going to price this high because it is in basically new condition. So I'm really glad I picked it up, and I checked out and did some background research, but I'm glad that I grabbed it. It's really beautiful.
Okay. Whenever you see a collab, look it up because this collab does very, very well. I'm excited to find this.
So something I said quietly at the thrift was you want to look for collabs. So I saw a Champion collab with Todd Snyder or X, and I was so excited because Todd Snyder is a really famous and prominent men's fashion designer. So he has a collab with Champion and they're a little bit more exclusive, and sure enough, these sweaters sell for between $50 and $60. So I'm really glad I found this. I mean, Champion regular basics just don't really sell for very much, but if you find the collabs that are a little more rare, they sell great.
All right, so I was like, this feels really nice and it looks nice and the zippers are good, but I could not find a brand until I looked on the interior tag and I saw Muji, looked it up, and it is indeed a very good men's brand. So, you guys, I've filled up my cart, and it's been 10 minutes. Oh my gosh.
I can't hear you.
Okay, this looked interesting. It's very well made. For $7, I think the comps justify it. I think it will sell really well. So let's grab it. This is cute. This little Free People jumpsuit. Let me just make sure it's in good condition. Yeah, this is way cute, and it's only $7. Let's go. Okay, here's two brands I see a lot. Tahari and Bowden, and I cannot move them anymore. I think I used to kind of pick them up, but now they just do not sell. So I'm leaving those behind. Okay. These are cute with the cargo. Yeah, I think this is a pickup. Okay, these are tempting. They are new with tags, but this size is going to be really hard to sell. All right, I'm gonna risk it. Okay, this is an Anthropology brand. It looks to be in really good condition, and it's got this little scarf, silk scarf ruched detail. I think it will do great for only $4. I'm hoping at least.
Anthropology brands like Pilcrow and Tiny, the ones that I found and talked about today, are just a little more hit or miss. So Anthropology, you have to kind of be careful. I don't pick up the Anthropology basics. I don't pick up older Anthropology. It has to be more recent. It has to be really on trend. If it's new with tags, I'll more likely pick it up. Or if it's unique and I look up comps and the price is right, I will then pick it up to sell. So just be selective, but I think the tiny blouse is really pretty, and the Pilcro pants, yes, they are an insanely small size, which if you are that size, I love you and I hate you. But they're harder to sell on eBay, so I'm gonna hope it sells a little bit more quickly. The resale price though for that style is much more recent and it seems to be really high. So I think it was a good gamble. I'll report back if it pays off.
This would be really cool, but it's got these oil stains, and oil stains are so hard to get out, so we're gonna leave it. I do like this brand. It doesn't move like it used to, but this is a cute shirt. So yeah, I think I'll grab it. And I do like Eileen Fisher. The basics do well, so I think, and it's in like really, really good condition. I think this will do great. And this is cute. It's a little show me your moo tee. Oh my gosh, $3. I wonder what it sells for. I don't know that it sells for much, but I might just even keep it. It's cute. There we go. It's even brand new with oops. Brand new with tags. For $7, I think that'll be great. $7. I got another Lulu short sleeve. What size is it? I wonder if it says, is this the Run Swiftly? I'll find out. Anyway, that's a great price. We will grab it. This one's $4, and I was like, this looks and feels like Lulu. I could not find the logo until I looked real close. And there it is. Yeah, we'll do that one. Okay, so Sun Ice, Sunis, I don't know. I think it's Sun Ice. Is an expensive brand. This is in really clean condition and it's in a good size. And for $4, I think it's worth picking up. I love Fairty. $6. Yeah, this is a great brand. Great brand.
So I was really excited about that Fairty like Henley. I found this Robert Graham. This is all in the like section where people try it on and then leave it behind. Robert Graham doesn't quite sell for what it used to, so I was hesitant about that. These Patagonia shorts, though, I was really excited about until I looked at the back and saw there were like a bunch of, I don't know, grease stains, oil stains. I just knew those would be really hard to get out. So we left it behind. The ROI was just not really worth it. And then I found these Figs joggers, but Figs just are not selling for what they used to. So again, that's just another one that I decided, you know what, I'm going to leave it behind and try to find slightly higher ROI stuff. So yeah, that was just kind of my thinking over in this section.
Okay, perfect. Okay, you guys, I'm excited. I'm excited about all the stuff that we got. We got some really good gems. We're going to add it up. It's going to be fantastic.
All right, you guys, that was so fun. I found some amazing stuff. That Lulu full zip, there was a little stain on it, but I have full confidence we can get that out. The special edition hoodie, yes, so excited about that. Excited about the Vuori, the Barbour. We found some great stuff, but now it's treat time. I'm starving. Nothing makes me hungrier than thrifting all day. I have been thrifting literally for 7 hours straight. I'm starving. Let's go get a treat because we've earned it.
So there you go, a very successful thrift day. I found so many amazing items today. Thank you for joining me. I did get a treat. This treat is actually from my mini fridge that I have in my closet. It's my secret fridge where I keep a lot of my treats. I know, I'm bad, but it was absolutely delicious and well earned because we had a super successful day. Thank you for joining me and I will catch you in the next one.